Stop by and take a look at the 2017 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.